Assalamu alaikum viewers. If your page has been stuck back side of the printer means here you can side that
جی جاگن بھائی
inside the heater. So
یہ
here
نا
and you can
پتہ نہیں
also
انہوں
see
کی
the
وہ
pieces
ہیٹر
of
دا
the
ربڑ جا ہے
foam that it means that
یہ
your pressure
ساڑے
ruler
پہ آن جانا وہ
has
لے
been
گیا
burst.
پیج
That's
بھی
why
پھنس گیا
the foam pieces are
مطلب
here
اندر
you
سے
can
کی
see
جانے
that. So the page also has been stuck inside the printer. So if you see that thing, it means that the pressure ruler foam inside the printer has burst and broken pieces of foam have come out. So you need to replace the pressure ruler and maybe you need to replace the heater sleeve. I have already made a video on it how you can change both the things. You can also change the heater unit. In the heater unit you will see that two things. One is pressure ruler and another thing that is sleeve. So according to when you open the printer and according to that you need to replace the things. So if the pressure ruler only damaged then you need to only replace the pressure ruler. If the sleeve has damaged then you need to replace the sleeve, heater sleeve. So یو کین آلسو سے دیٹ فیوز اے سلیو. تو میں آپ کو اردو میں بتا دیتا ہوں. اگر آپ کا پرنٹر کی بیک سائڈ پر جو پیج پھنس رہا ہے اس کا مطلب ہے کہ پریشر رولر یا پھر سلیو خراب ہو گئی ہے, وہ آپ کو چینج کرنا پڑے گی. تو مزید انفارمیشن کے لیے آپ چینل کو وزٹ